I think rebates are extremely important in terms of health plans really depending on these discounts in order to keep premiums low for everyone, making specialty drugs affordable and accessible. Having said that, most of our plans implement a maximum cap in terms of the co-pays for specialty drugs on the commercial side. On the Medicare side, we have a couple of different things emerging that are going to help patients who are on specialty drugs. Number one is CMS is implementing in 2025 a maximum out-of-pocket of $2,000. Okay? That's going to help these patients who are on these high-cost, high-price specialty drugs by capping their total overall out-of-pockets. Secondly, Medicare is also allowing a Medicare payment plan that allows patients who have high-cost therapies to be able to pay monthly the $2,000 so that basically they can end up paying $167 a month, right? Which also will help patients in terms of staying adherent on these specialty drugs, which is so important for these high-cost, high-risk specialty conditions. When we look at the biosimilar marketplace, we see a market that's working as intended, right? A lot of people say that the biosimilar space is at risk. I don't believe that. I believe that it is working as intended. When we look at the pipeline, we're going to see 55 different brand products over the next 10 years, each with over $1 billion in revenue a year, collectively today representing about $270 billion in drug spend going biosimilar. That is going to increase competition, we think, on the biosimilar side. Having said that, though, I think what's uncertain is each reference product, depending on its market size and the price competition that's being created through policy, right? Like things that are happening with respect to CMS in terms of the Medicare redesign. When we look at the interchangeability changes that we're seeing in terms of the FDA, where they're going to make, it appears they're going to make biosimilar interchange a non-issue moving into the future. And when we look at other opportunities like Congress getting much more aggressive in terms of limiting the patent dance, as they call it, where manufacturers are, through litigation and settlements, extending unnecessarily the exclusivity period for reference products, we think that it's going to be a great opportunity for biosimilars. Having said that, biosimilars cost $100 to $300 million a year to bring out to market, and it takes 6 to 9 years. So biosimilar companies are going to have to be very specific on what opportunities they want to go after. And we think that the future of the biosimilar market space is one that I think it will continue to be one of the main drivers of lowering our overall pharmaceutical drug spend over the next 5 to 10 years.